Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Butter Fisting Gauntlet Gloves. So let's get started. So this is the pair of gauntlet fisting gloves included. Now with the Butter latex fisting gloves, you're ready for a fisting adventure. The glove is made of extra strong latex and it's very simple and easy to put on, and it's very smooth and soft to the touch as well. In combination with a good fisting lubricant, penetration will be smooth and clean. As mentioned, the material is very stretchy and therefore fits around every hand. We can recommend to use the Butter Fisting Gel in combination with the fisting gloves. The fisting gel is water-based, so is suitable in combination with the latex gloves, as well as latex condoms and silicone sex toys as well. It's soft, smooth and thick and is the perfect combination. And that is the Butter Fisting Gauntlet Gloves. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.